Okay, we're going to be graphing the quadratic functions, and we're going to find the vertex, the x-intercepts, and the y-intercepts of this particular quadratic. Okay, the vertex, we're going to use a formula, and the vertex formula is negative b over 2a is your x-coordinate, and then you plug what you get into the function to get your y-coordinate. All right, so here we go. So A is 1, B is negative 10, and C is 21. And so for my formula, I'm going to do negative 10 over 2 times 1. So that's going to give me 10 over 2, which is 5. And then I'm going to plug that in. 5 squared minus 10 times 5 plus 21. 25 minus 50 plus 21 is going to give me negative 25 plus 21, which is negative 4. So my vertex is 5, negative 4. Okay, so now I can start thinking about graphing that. 5, negative 4. Let's try again. Okay. 5, negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 would be here. A is positive, so this is going to open up, and now we're going to do the x-intercepts. So first we did the vertex. Now we'll do the x-intercepts. The x-intercepts is when you take the quadratic function and set it equal to 0 and solve. Now we've done this before. This is nothing new. If it factors, it's going to be easy. If it doesn't factor, we have to use the quadratic formula. Fortunately, I'm pretty sure this factors. Multiplies to give me 21 and adds to give me 10. I'm going to say that's 7 and 3. And so x equals 7 and x equals 3. These are my x-intercepts, 7, 0, and 3, 0. So that was 5, so 7 and 3. Okay, and then we'll do the y-intercept. The y-intercept is the easiest one. The y-intercept, all we do is plug in 0. And then that would give me 0 squared minus 10 times 0 plus 21. And so that's going to give me 21. So that's the point. X is 0, y is 21. And so that's going to be way up here in the top of my graph, way up here somewhere. And so here we have my parabola, connect my dots, make my U, and off we go. Okay, this one is a little bit different. We're going to do basically the same thing, but we need to notice something real quick. My A is not positive. My A is negative 1, my B is negative 6, my C is negative 5. My formula for the vertex is negative b over 2a, f of negative b over 2a. And so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to plug in to the formula to find the vertex. Okay, so negative b, so it'll be negative 6 over 2 times negative 1, so that's 6, and negative 2, which is negative 3. So that's the x coordinate. And then I'm going to plug that in. There we go. So this is going to be a negative 9 plus 18 minus 5, which is going to give me 9 minus 5, which is 4. So my vertex is negative 3, 4. Okay. Now I'll do my x-intercepts. And this is where I take the quadratic and set it equal to 0. Now it is factorable, but I'm going to factor out a negative 1 first. Because a is not positive, so there it is. And then I'm going to factor it out. And it's going to be positive 1 and positive 5. Then that gives me x is negative 1 and x is negative 5. And so that's the point negative 1, 0. And that's point negative 5, 0. Okay, let's get these graphed. Okay, so I have negative 3, 4 here. It's my vertex. And then I have negative 1, 0. I have negative 5, 0. All right, and then last but not least, I'm going to do my y-intercept. Again, I plug in 0. That'll give me my y-intercept. And you might get used to this fact that the y-intercept is pretty easy. If you pick up on it, the y-intercept is just 0, c every time. So I have 0, negative 5, which is here. So now this time, my parabola is upside down. And that's all because of the a being negative. When the a is negative, I'm going to get an upside down.